BMX and its brackets, battery mounting brackets, battery indicator and cable, screws, nuts and washers, tools, wrenches, screwdrivers and pilot. We need to prepare a new charger for the lithium battery as well. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. We need to remove the original charging receptacle and lead-acid batteries. Step 2. Install the X-car charging receptacle. Tighten 4 screws with an Allen key. Step 3. Place the battery mounting bracket in battery container. You may need to drill some holes for the screws. Step 4. Put the battery case in position, then you can screw it to the brackets. Step 5. Fix the BMX on its bracket. Step 6. Hang the BMS on the side of battery. Step 7. Fix charger to the car. Again, you need to drill some holes. Step 8. Remove the original battery indicator and fit an X-car battery indicator. The cable goes behind the dashboard, then under the car, and finally stick up from the bottom of the battery container. You can seal up the original connectors. Step 9. Hook up the power cables. The rack cable from charger goes to C+. The original rack cables go to P+. Depending on the model, you may have 3 to 5 cables. The original black cable and charger black cable go to P-. Step 10. Hook up the BMS cables. Battery indicator cable goes to the middle and charger cable goes to the bottom. The top one is battery diagnostic cable. Step 11. Connect the charger to charging receptacle and tie up all the cables. Now it's all done. Thank you for watching.